Good afternoon, children. So, in the previous class, we have already studied regarding the extrusive igneous rocks and intrusive igneous rocks. Okay. So, we have studied that only already in the previous class only, the extrusive igneous rocks and intrusive igneous rocks. So, for extrusive igneous rocks, the best example is that is basalt. So, we have studied already in the previous class only, you know very well. Extrusive igneous rocks. So this extrusive igneous rocks best example is that is basalt, and the intrusive igneous rocks. Yes, in previous class we have already studied the intrusive igneous rocks. Okay. Intrusive. Okay. So intrusive igneous rocks, and for intrusive igneous rocks, the best example is that is granite. The best example is granite. Okay. So already we have studied regarding the extrusive igneous rocks and intrusive igneous rocks. So as I told in previous class, now what is extrusive igneous rocks? The best example for extrusive igneous rock is that is basalt, and the best example for intrusive igneous rock is that is granite. Okay, already I told in previous class. Okay, come to today we will study regarding the different rocks. Okay, so rocks is not completed in the previous class, so we will study today the rocks. Okay, so here just open your textbook. So here it is given that what is rock? What is rock is given. So already I told in previous class only. What I told you that what is the rock is there. You know very well what is the rock. So it is what is there. So rocks I told in previous class only, little bit regarding the rocks only. So I told to you that the rocks can roll, can break, can, here it is given that hit each other. Okay, the rocks can roll, can break, or you can crack also. Crack means break only, or can hit each other. Okay, so here it is given that point is rocks can roll, roll means standing in corner is roll, and here the crack is given. Here the crack means break. Okay, and one more is given that hit each other. Hit means okay. So here the meaning is I have written the board here you got only the roll. The rocks can roll and crack. Crack means break. The rocks can break. And one more is I told that the rocks can hit each other. The rocks can hit each other. So here I will show you here on the board. See here it is a rock also is there. They can hit each other. Okay, like this only the rocks can hit each other. So and next point is given that and are broken down into small fragments. Okay, and here they given that the rocks are broken down into. They are also broken down into small fragments. What are the fragments? Fragments means I will write it down here. Fragments means I will write it down here. Fragments means part it is given that the part broken off. Yes, the part is broken off. Yes, it is given here. The part is broken off. Fragments means the part broken off. It means that fragments means you can. Where I will write in the board here. It is renewable. Okay, so here it is given that the rocks can roll. Okay, the rocks can break and the rocks can hit each other also. Okay, and also given that the rocks are broken down into small fragments. The rocks can also broken down into small fragments. So here is that only point is given that. So that point you have to remember. Okay, so here it is given that the rocks can roll, rocks can crack or you can tell break, and the rocks can hit each other also. So, and some rocks are that broken down into small fragments. Fragments means ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಆಫ್, ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ತುಂಡುಗಳು, ಚೂರುಗಳು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೋಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಂದರೆ ಅವು ಉಳ್ತಾವಂತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವು ಸೀಳ್ತಾವು ಅಂತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಘರ್ಷಣೆ ಆಗಿ ಹೊಡಿತಾವಂತೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು. ಹಿಟ್ ಈಚ್ ದ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಾಟ್ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೊಡಿತವೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ರಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವಂದರೆ, ಆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವಂದರೆ ಅವು ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಆ ತುಂಡಾಗ್ತವೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ತುಂಡಾಗ್ತವೆ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಚೂರುಗಳಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ತುಂಡುಗಳಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ, ಆ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅವು ಹೊಡಿತವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ in ಕನ್ನಡ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನೋ. So here the first point you have to remember, the rocks can roll, the rocks can break also, and the rocks can hit each other. The rocks can roll, the break and hit each other, and also rocks are broken down into. So the rocks are broken down into small fragments. Small fragments means they are given that though some rocks are there on the earth, so they broken down. The rocks are broken down into small fragments. Small fragments means small means ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ತುಂಡುಗಳಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಚೂರುಗಳಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಆ ಒಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ that here, yes, the rocks are broken into small fragments. So that point you have to remember. So the rocks can here rocks roll down. So here it is given that rocks roll down, rocks can crack and hit each other. Rocks roll down, rocks crack and rocks hit each other. So here it is given that rocks roll down, crack and hit each other, and also rocks are broken down into small fragments. So here I will show you one picture only. I will draw this one. Think that it is one big rock is there. Okay, so big rock is there. So after the rocks are broken down into small fragments. So you think that it is 2 or 3 the rocks are there, big rocks are there. So these rocks are broken down. Broken. What is the meaning of broken? Broken means ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು, ಸೀಳೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ here. Small fragments here are there. So like this they broken. Okay. So here the rocks are there. So these 3 rocks are there. Rocks are broken down into small fragments. So these are the what? Small fragments. So these are the what? Small fragments. Okay. So these are the what? Small fragments. So these are the 3 what? Rocks are there. So these rocks only are broken down into small fragments. So these are the fragments. Okay. So here the point is given that I will show you here one picture. Just open your page number 9. Just open your page number 9. Here it is given in your textbook only. See here, look at this picture. See here, it is given that here igneous rock is there and the sediments. And sedimentary rock is given, metamorphic rock is given, and magma is given. Okay. So here you can see that sediments. So like that only small fragments are there. Small fragments means ತುಂಡುಗಳು, ಚೂರುಗಳು. ಸೊ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸೀಳ್ತವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಒಡಿತವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ತುಂಡುಗಳಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಚೂರುಗಳಾಗಿ ಅವು ಮಾರ್ಪಾಡ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ in your textbook only given. See here, once again I will show you. Here it is there, the rocks. Where it is there? Here. Okay, look at here in your textbook only. The rocks roll down, crack and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. See here, I draw the picture on the small fragments. So these are the what? These are the rocks. So rocks are broken down into small fragments. Fragments means here ತುಂಡುಗಳು, ಚೂರುಗಳು. So big rocks are broken into small fragments. So that point you have to remember. Here next is given, these smaller particles are called as sediments. Okay, these smaller particles means how you can tell, ಅಣುಗಳು ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಣುಗಳು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is the meaning of particle? Particle means ಅಣುಗಳು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. Particle, write in the board here, then only you can understand it better. Okay, particle means anu. Particle. So here the point is given that these smaller particles. So what are these small fragments are there? So these small fragments are there. The smaller particles called as sediments. So these smaller particles are called only sediments. So that point you have to underline it. Okay. So you have to please underline that point only. So these small particles are called as a sediments. So please remember that only, sediments. Okay. These small particles are called as only sediments. So here the big rocks are there. Rocks are broken down into small fragments. So these small particles are also called as a sediments. So these small particles are called as a the sediments. Okay, so that point you have to remember. So these small, here it is given that, so these small particles are called as sediments. Okay, so come to next one point. So these sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. So here it is given that these sediments, so think that these are all sediments are the sediments. Okay, so these small particles are called as sediments. So these all sediments, so here the one point is given, next one. So these sediments are transported. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. So I will show you your picture again. So sediments are transported and deposited. Okay. So think that these are the sediments are there. Okay. So I will draw your sediments. So these are the what? Sediments. Okay. These are the what? Sediments. Okay. So these are the what? Sediments. So these sediments, here the point is given that these sediments are transported. Transported is, so these sediments are transported, transport, and here it is given, and deposited, and transported and deposited. See here the point is given that deposited, transported and deposited. See here one point is given that, so these are the what? Sediments. So these sediments are transported and deposited by wind and water. So here little bit I will explain, give you here. See here sediments are there. These are what? Sediments. So these sediments are transported and deposited by what? By wind and water. See here, I will show you here. By here. By wind and water. So the point is given that whatever the sediments are there, so these all sediments are transported and deposited. Transported. What is the meaning of transport? Transport ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಾಗಿಸುವುದು. Okay. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ sediments ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ? ಸಾಗಿಸಲ್ಪಡ್ತವೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ sediments ಗಳು ಒಂದು deposit. Deposit, this word you know very well. You heard that word only. This word only in bank. What you are doing? You are deposited their money only, no, in bank only, like that only. These all sediments transported also and deposited. Deposited ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಆ ನೀರಿನ ಒಂದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ನೀರು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೀರಿನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅವು ಇಡಲ್ಪಡ್ತವೆ. ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸೊ these sediments are transported and deposited by wind and water. So these, with the help of the wind and water, these sediments are transported, and with the help of the wind and water, these sediments are deposited. Okay, deposited where? The water below. So that point you have to remember here. So these sediments are transported and deposited by wind and water. So these transported sediments are, these are the sediments, small particles. Sediments means small particles. Small particles are called as a sediments. So these all sediments are transported and deposited by wind and water. So water here, where the water below only. So water below only deposited. Water, river below only the deposited. So these are sediments and transported by wind only. Transport sediments means you know very well. The small sediments are there. You know sand you know ಮರಳು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ. So you see that, observe that the very small stones are there. Very small stones are there. So you know very well in a desert. So when wind is blowing that time only, in the whatever the inside the sand, which are these small particles are present. So those particles are transported. So those particles are transported from one place to another with the help of the wind. Okay. So once again I will tell you here. You know very well sand. In sand only the so many small particles are there. You know very well the small stones are there. You know very well. Very small stones are there. So here in desert is there. In Rajasthan one desert is there. So when you if you go there, just you have to observe that. When you go there, that time you have to observe that with the help of the wind only. These are all the small stones or in the sand only. Those are representing sand only, small stones. Okay, small stones are there. So those stones by wind only they are transported ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆ ಮರಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಣ್ಣ ಅತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಣಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವಂದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಅಣುಗಳು, ಆ ಅಣುಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವಂದರೆ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್, ಅಣು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಆ ಮರಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಗಾಳಿಯ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಾಗಲ್ಪಡ್ತವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ in sand only the so small stones are there. Okay, so those stones are transported by wind. Those stones are transported by wind only. Here they given that the whatever the present in the sand only, the small stones, very small stones, or you can tell small particles. Okay, small particles you can tell. So these small particles, okay, and transported. How they transported from one place to another place? These particles are transported by wind. These particles are transported by wind. Okay, and here some sediments, or you can tell particles. Some particles, or you can tell sediments. So sediments are deposited by water. Okay, so these sediments are deposited by water. So ಆ ನೀರಿನ ಒಂದು ಮುಖಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಅಣುಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಣುಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಅಣುಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಡ್ತವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಿನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀರಿನ ಒಂದು ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ, ಆ ನೀರಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅವು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ ಈ ಥರ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ, come to next one. Okay, here the given these sediments are transported and deposited by wind and water. Okay, so this point you have to underline and please remember that. Okay, so these sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. So these loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. See here, the given that these loose sediments, loose means you can see them, loose are there. See here, I will tell you once again. So look at on the board here, sediments. So these loose sediments are, so here the point is given that in your textbook, these loose sediments, loose means what? ಅವು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಏನಾಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಟಿಕೊಂಡಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ I will tell you what is the meaning of the loose. Yes, the loose means in Kannada will tell ಸಡಿಲವಾದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Just to look at on the board here, how they are not joined each other. These sediments are not joined each other. They are, what is that? Loose sediments. They are the loose sediments. Loose sediments means ಅವು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಏನಿದಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಡಿಲವಾಗಿ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ compressed. Compressed means where they compress in the water below only. So water below only the compressed. Compress means like that. What to compress? Compress means what? I will write on the board here. compress. So I will show you here how to use this. So these loose sediments, compress means like this. Compress means press. ಒತ್ತು. ठीक है? So here that point you have to remember. Compress means ಒತ್ತೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆನಾ? compress ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಒತ್ತೋದು. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಗಾಳಿಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಮತ್ತು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ನೀರಿನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ. ಅದು ನೀರಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅವು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಕಾಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒತ್ತಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. Hardened means the ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾದಂಥ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Hardened means ಅಂದರೆ here hardened make or grow hard. Here hardened means make or grow hard. Make or grow hard. See here it is given that the meaning. Harden means make or grow hard. So what is the point is given here? So these loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. Yes, layers of rocks. See here, they will deposit. These sediments are deposited where the water below only. They deposited. These sediments are deposited. So again and again the sediments are compressed, deposited, and after they compressed and hardened to form the layers. So different layers, they form different layers. So that one is given here. Hardened to form layers of rocks. So little bit I will tell you ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಆ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಡ್ತವೆ ಎಲ್ಲಂದರೆ ನೀರಿನ ಒಂದು ಕೆಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಆ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅವು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ನೀರಿನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅವು ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ನೀರಿನ ತೆಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಆ ಶೇಖರಣೆ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂತಹ ಸಡಿಲವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಕಾಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಒತ್ತುತ್ತವೆ, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಒತ್ತುತ್ತವೆ. ಒತ್ತಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಗಟ್ಟಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಕ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಆ ರಚನೆ ಆಗೋದು. ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳ ಒಂದು ಪದರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರಚನೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So these sediments are formed layers of rocks. How they form layers of rocks? First, the loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. So these sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. Okay. So here is given that. So these types of rocks are called as sedimentary rocks. See here, the clear is given that. So these types of rocks are called. Okay. So these types of rocks are called what it is? Sedimentary rocks. So these types of rocks are only called as sedimentary. So that point you have to remember here. So what is given? Loose sediments. Loose sediments are compressed. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. So the rocks are called as sedimentary rocks. So here the point is given. These types of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. So these type of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಟುಡೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್. The remaining part I will teach in the next class. Okay. We will see in the next class and we will discuss regarding that again rocks in the next class. Okay.